Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into an exciting new feature on WhatsApp for PC, the pop-out chat. This update is a game-changer for multitasking, allowing you to open individual chats in separate, resizable windows. Let's walk through the simple steps to enable this feature and make your WhatsApp experience even more efficient. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't already linked your account, make sure to scan the QR code using your phone to log in. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the chat you want to pop out. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group chat, or even a work-related discussion. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found the chat, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. Among these options, look for Pop-out Chat. Click on it, and just like that, the selected chat will open in a new standalone window. This new window is fully resizable and can be moved anywhere on your desktop. It's perfect for keeping important conversations in view while working on other tasks, or chatting with multiple people simultaneously without switching back and forth in the main app. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can take advantage of this handy feature and boost your productivity. Whether you're managing multiple conversations or simply want to focus on one chat without distractions, the pop-out chat feature has you covered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this update. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.